To transfer money using Revolut, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have a Revolut account, you will need to sign up and go through the verification process. Once logged in, tap on the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the transfer option and choose the currency you want to transfer. You can transfer money to a bank account, another Revolut user, or to a mobile money account. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, account number, and routing number, or their mobile money account details. If you are transferring money to another Revolut user, you can simply enter their Revolut username or the recipient's phone number associated with their Revolut account. You can also select a contact from your phone book if the recipient is already saved in your contacts. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transfer method. You can transfer money using your Revolut balance, a debit card, or a credit card. Review the transfer details, including the exchange rate, transfer fee, and estimated delivery time. Confirm the transfer by tapping on the Continue button. You will then be asked to confirm the transfer details and authorize the payment. Once you have confirmed the transfer, the money will be sent to the recipient's account. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's details are correct to avoid any transfer errors. Additionally, be aware of the transfer limits and fees associated with your Revolut account. You can find this information in the Revolut app or on the Revolut website. To track the status of your transfer, go to the Payments tab and select the transfer you want to track. You can also receive updates on the transfer status via push notifications or email. If you encounter any issues with your transfer, you can contact Revolut's customer support team for assistance. In conclusion, transferring money using Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being aware of the transfer limits and fees, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, using the Revolut app.